Let's go back here. I've been watching Dutch Sense's videos that he's been putting out in the past week or two. I really like what he's been talking about. He's got some good information on his videos. One video in particular, it was talking about the line that was being created over the mountain range, and it was an antenna array that he had found. And it reminded me of something that I saw on the HAARP site many years back. So I went to the website, of course, and their site has been changed many times over, so I decided to take a look at the Wayback Machine and see if they had left any of the pages cached in the servers and whatnot and had it archived, which they do. This was the page that I was looking at. Now, the argument about HAARP with all the non-believers and skeptics is that this thing is not used for weather modification. Well, I'm here to tell you that right now, here's proof. This is from 2004. This is the website. I found this on a it was one little link off of one of the test pages, and you can go and you can search their whole site, and I'll put the link down at the bottom. But this was telling how they triangulate basically their waves, the frequencies. Now, this was interesting enough, but what really caught my attention was down here. These, of course, are the three stations that they're using, and it gives, if you go to each of the pages, it gives you the longitude and latitude. It shows you the antenna, a picture of it. I can't believe all this stuff is still archived. But here's the most important thing, this VLF group. Here's your weather modification proof right here. You gotta read what this says. I mean, it spells it out right here. They generate lightning discharges by man-made transmitters and energetic radiation belt electrons. We investigate the generation of these waves and the manner in which they are propagated in the scatter form, various regions of the upper atmosphere. We use VLF waves as diagnostic tools to investigate physical processes in the vicinity of the Earth's low and high altitude plasma environment. Under the direction of the professor, whatever his name is, the VLF group carries out extensive observational programs at multiple sites across the continental U.S., in Antarctica and Canada, and on satellites. In addition, extensive theoretical modeling and interpretation work is carried out on quantitative modeling of high-altitude optical emissions, known as sprites, blue jets, and ELVs, on modeling the propagation and scattering of the electromagnetic waves in the Earth's ionosphere waveguide, and on other related electromagnetic wave and plasma physics problems. Holographic array, lightning-induced electron precipitation studies. Now, if you're telling me that this is not for weather modification, I'm telling you, you're wrong. Here's your proof.